If you want to build confidence, attract respect, and reach your goals, it all starts from within. Personality development is not about changing who you are, it's about becoming your best version. Before we start, make sure to subscribe for more inspiring videos that help you grow your mind, boost your confidence, and transform your life, one step at a time. Step 1. Defeat the voice that holds you back. We all have that little voice inside that whispers, "You're not good enough." It's the voice that keeps you from trying something new, from speaking up, or from chasing your dreams. This negative voice is one of the biggest roadblocks to personal growth. It makes you doubt yourself and see failure before you even begin. But here's the truth. Everyone feels fear and self-doubt. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is simple. Successful people don't listen to that voice. They take action anyway. To develop your personality, start by recognizing and addressing that negative self-talk. When you hear it, replace it with a positive truth. Instead of saying, "I can't," say, "I'll try." Small changes can lead to significant changes in your life. Step 2. Build true confidence, not false pride. Some people try to hide their insecurities by acting overly confident or even arrogant. They speak loudly, always want to be right, and look down on others. But deep down, they're just covering up their own feelings of weakness. Absolute confidence comes from knowing who you are, not pretending to be more or less. You don't need to shout to prove your worth. True strength is quiet and calm. When you know your value, you don't need to compete or compare. You can appreciate others' success while working on your own. This kind of balance is what makes your personality shine naturally. Step 3. Understand yourself deeply. You can't grow if you don't know yourself. Take time to understand your strengths and weaknesses. Ask yourself, what am I good at? What makes me feel alive? Where do I struggle? When you know your weak points, you don't have to fear them. You can work on them. And when you know your strengths, you can use them to build success. Self-awareness is the heart of personality development. Knowing your strengths and weaknesses is about using this knowledge to help you make better decisions, build stronger relationships, and live with confidence. When you're self-aware, you're in control. You can shape your personality and your success. Step 4. Strike a balance between confidence and humility. Some people think humility means weakness, but that's not true. Being humble means understanding that you don't know everything and that others possess strengths as well. It means respecting people, learning from them, and staying open to growth. Humility gives you power because it keeps your ego in check. When you combine confidence with humility, you become unstoppable. You respect yourself and others, and people naturally respect you in return. Think of humility as standing tall, not bowing low. It's knowing your value but never needing to prove it. Step 5. Accept yourself, flaws and all. Many people waste time trying to be perfect. But perfection doesn't exist. Personality development is not about fixing yourself. It's about accepting who you are and improving incrementally. Accept your flaws because they make you human. Your weaknesses don't define you, they teach you. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. When you accept yourself fully, you stop comparing yourself to others. You start walking your own path with peace and purpose. Step 6. Let your personality shape your success. Your success in life depends less on what you know and more on who you are. People are drawn to those who are kind, confident, and authentic. Whether it's in your career, friendships, or goals, your personality can make or break opportunities. When you develop a strong, balanced personality, you communicate more effectively, lead more effectively, and connect more deeply. People trust you, and doors open naturally. Remember, your personality is your personal brand. Make it something worth admiring. Step 7. Keep growing every day. Personality development doesn't happen overnight. It's a journey, a lifelong process of learning, unlearning, and improving. Every experience, every mistake, and every success teaches you something valuable. Keep reading, observing, and reflecting. Surround yourself with people who lift you higher and challenge you to grow. Over time, you'll notice changes. You'll speak more clearly, walk more confidently, and think more positively. That's when success starts to follow you, because you've become the kind of person who attracts it. Step 8. Your inner growth creates outer success. When you work on your inner world, your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, your outer world begins to shift. You start handling stress better. You treat others with kindness. You stop reacting and start responding with wisdom. It is the power of personality development. It doesn't just make you successful, it makes you peaceful, patient, and powerful. So don't wait for success to change you. Let your growth create your success. Your personality is your foundation for success. Build it with honesty, humility, confidence, and self-awareness. Don't try to be someone else, be the best version of you. If this video inspired you to start developing your inner strength, subscribe for more simple and powerful lessons that help you grow your mind, build confidence, and live your best life. And remember, the journey of personality development is ongoing. Take the next step today by practicing a new habit.